What's happening, guys? Welcome to another episode of Colquitt's Corner. Today, I want to discuss sector rotations. We are currently in let's say, in a recession. Definitely interesting times for sure, and definitely unique and different from all the other recessions as well. So, there's a lot going on here that's new to everybody, but um, I'm just going to follow what we know and go here. You can see I have an image here of the sector rotations, just basically where certain sectors perform well or don't during certain times of the market. And I definitely want to take a moment to look at this. One thing that I found that was really neat, somebody sent to me, was this article by Fidelity, and I will post the link to this in the comment section so you guys can take a look at this as well. Because I'm basically gonna scroll through this and fly through it a good bit, not break it down to too much detail, but it goes through the different areas that we have here. You can see here it pinpoints the U.S. Basically in the middle of the late end recession here. So what I like is it shows these graphs. It breaks them down. It also goes through each section and shows what sectors perform well, which don't during each period. And so what I decided to do was go through and basically, take a look for myself. Honestly, do the research myself. After reading this article, it was very interesting, very enlightening. Enjoyed it. And now I've gone through and broken down the sectors myself. So what I've done here is I've taken the monthly on all the sectors, and I will go through here and just basically compare and contrast and see what's going on long term. Because it would be nice to take advantage of this pullback. And if this market does recover, where will it recover? Where can we go? Again, it's uncharted territories too, because so it could possibly, we could go down to either way. I'm not really concerned about going bullish or bearish. More so, just looking for confirmation in the charts, and to see what's going to lead, which direction it decides to go. And you can see here I have it broken down. I also went ahead and took a closer look at the 4-hour charts too. The 4-hour charts is a little different than the monthly. There's a couple areas that are, uniquely different than the monthly. So I'm assuming these areas is where I want to take a look at in the short term, but definitely refer back to the monthly and the long term as well. So just some things to consider moving forward. All right. The other things I really want to take a look at too that's been interesting is the markets are doing something very unique, and that they are not necessarily correlating. What I've always been told is that, when the dollar goes up, gold, oil, things like that, commodities go down. There's this relationship that's not happening right now. Taking a look here at the S&P 500, you can see here we got a big dip. But if we go and take a look at crude oil, it's dipped as well. We, I'd like to say I'm taking advantage of the cheap gas that's at the gas pumps right now, but unfortunately I'm quarantined. I can't really go anywhere, so can't really do much there. Definitely filled up the RV. I took advantage of that. Let's take a look at gold. There we go. Now we actually have gold going up, which is good. I want to see that. So we have some things happening here, but let's see. What's some other ones? Let's take a look at the VIX real quick too, because that correlates very well with the S&P 500 in the stock markets. Okay, so it's going down, which means the stock market should be going up. But I believe we're actually at a crucial level. Yeah, you can see here I've got a support that we're sitting on. So we got to see at the end of the month what's happening here. But again, these are just some ideas, things you want to take a look at, get an idea of what's going on in the market, where to invest. I'm going to break down these sectors myself and keep, basically some eyes on them, alerts set, looking for opportunities. I'm not going to go jump into these just yet. I'm a little more picky. I like to find certain elements based on my business plan, but I at least want to try to corner it, narrow it down, so when things do start to move in the areas, I can take advantage and invest in those areas and hopefully get in on some of the game, regardless of which way this market goes. So, again, just a quick little analysis for myself. Definitely consider you guys do your own research. Please share your comments, all that great stuff. I would love to hear what you guys think, your ideas. Again, just trying to create a community here where we can all learn from each other. I'm just putting together bits and pieces that I've learned from other people, myself, and just doing some research, breaking it down, and looking forward to putting some good trades in the market right now. Again, we are in uncharted territory, so I'm going to do my best, keep your emotions out of it. Just look for, charts to confirm what I'm hearing, what I'm seeing out there on the news from friends, all that great stuff from my research. Just, understand my risk and reward, all that great stuff. So again, guys, just some stuff, some ideas, throwing it out to you. No expert here. But I would love to hear from you guys as well. So like, subscribe, all that great stuff, all that cheesy stuff every YouTuber says. I care more. Just guys, leave comments, shoot me an email. I'd love to hear from you guys. I just want to learn, and I would love to hear your input, and I would love to share even some of my trials and tribulations as well. So thank you guys for joining me again. Look forward to seeing you guys soon. Take care. Bye.